Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix taskbar not hiding in full screen mode. Make sure to pause the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now, if this error happens when you're trying to watch a YouTube video in full screen for example, and this is usually on Windows 11 or just general Windows, then all you have to do is to right click on the taskbar right here, then click on Task Manager. Once you click on Task Manager, then you're going to have many options right here, but you're going to mainly search for Windows Explorer. And then from Windows Explorer, you're going to right click it, and then you're going to press on Restart. Once you restart it, then you should be fine. It might mess up your icons in the desktop, but you can just rearrange them. And then once you go back to YouTube or any browser and click on full screen, then the taskbar should hide successfully. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Take it easy. Bye bye.